All right, how you doing today? Today we're taking a look at Safari Pedal's Pixelcat. This is a bit crusher with a spring reverb built right in. There's an introductory offer for Black Friday and bundle owners as well. And there'll be links down in the description below for all this. Check out my other videos as well. I have the latest deals, free plugins, and music production news going on. There's a whole playlist that will be updated. Just click the link. You'll see it in the description. Anyways, let's get into this. Let's check out this plugin. Let me know what you think. Okay, so Pixelcat is their playful lo-fi crusher with a twist of springy space. It chews your audio into pixelated grit, then washes it through a lively spring reverb for a mix of retro crunch and dreamy depth. Perfect for drums, synths, guitars, or anything that needs a dose of lo-fi magic. So let's test it out. Okay, we got the interface, we got a bypass on and off over here, our presets over here, clipper. And then we got a blend knob here as well. And an output, auto gain, spring reverb, bits, the rate, drive, and tone. So let's test it out on these drums before. Turn it on. All right, so just quickly, just downloading some crazy tones here with the bit, the drive, the tone, and the spring reverb here. This is pretty crazy.
Wonder how much time do you think it'll take to undo all my ties and to get a clean break? Wonder how much time do you think it'll take to undo all my ties and to get a clean break?
All right, there you go. Let me know what you think. Check out my other videos floating around the screen here. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon.